Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to discuss a bit different topic. Means till now I have created a lot of videos on Excel. Please go to my timeline and watch them. They will definitely help you, and I suggest you to open an Excel sheet, open my video, pause it, and apply that formula on the same Excel sheet. Do it in a desktop. That will definitely help you, and you will learn new things. And if you learn all these things like pivot table, combo chart, or text to columns, if you know all these things, creating pivot charts, so trust me that you will be pro in Excel. Concatenate, VLOOKUP. The people who are working in IT industry, the people who are working in so many, great companies, so many called great companies, they all are using only these formulas. If you use them, bring it in your own practice. Means might be I have not covered everything there, but if you do those things in Excel, open Excel, create a dummy data, and try those functions which we have already discussed till now. Trust me, you will be at least a one step ahead in search of job. And if you put those functions like VLOOKUP, concatenate, pivot chart, pivot table, text to column, format, left, right, or whatever, those, so many functions I have, taught till now. If you put all these in Excel and even the macro, that is very important, very powerful tool. So if you do all these things and put that in your resume, trust me, means like you will be eligible for any kind of IT job which is like entry level, whether you're HR, marketing, finance. If you know Excel, that is an edge. Okay, guys. So today, here, what I want to discuss means I'm like from so many days, the same thing are going on. So I thought let's discuss something different. So today, I will discuss that data science. As I told you that I'm already having like 13 years of experience in industry, and that's why I want to share whatever I have learned till now to you guys. So this is just the first step, the baby step, which I can say in that particular direction. People are talking about data science, data science, data science. Wherever you go, data science is a hot cake. And you know what is data science? If you remember your Pandit ji in past days, in your yesteryears, you used to go to them and show your hand or show your Janam Patrika or something like that, and they will predict something, by looking to your past, by asking few things from your past, and they will say that okay, in this particular, it might be if you do this, this will definitely help you. So the kind of prediction your Panditji is doing now, science is tackling that particular skill and doing the prediction based on the data. Whatever kind of data you will feed into the system, it will do the prediction. It will make a trend out of it. Let's say you will give the data of like 10 years of sales. So what it will do the analysis year by year and see that okay, in which particular year the sales has gone up, or maybe in which season it has gone up, which day it has gone up. Let's say if it is Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, and any other festival, so definitely the sales will go up. So why? Because people want to purchase in that particular festive season. So what the marketing companies are doing right now, trust me, they are analyzing those data and doing the prediction that okay, in this particular period, time period, whether it is US, so many holidays are there, and in India, festive seasons is about to come in Diwali and all. So they said, okay, give them some proper discount. Put your price on a higher side and give some discount, so public will be get more attracted because they want to purchase a TV. And if in TV you get an advertise saying like 20% off on the Diwali offer, you will definitely go and purchase that. So that kind of customer behavior they are understanding, customer analytics things they are doing, and then they are taking decisions, the marketing decisions. So that kind of science is behind that particular kind of data. And what data? Transaction data, which you are doing day to day. Don't worry, whatever work you are doing, even if you are not working anywhere, but still you are doing transactions. How? You are going to your local shop for purchasing something, you are going to Big Bazaar for purchasing something, you are going to petrol pump to purchase something. So all kind of behavior, they are monitoring, their transactions are, they are capturing those transactions and they are doing predictions. I will tell you one example in the bank. Let's say, why should I give this person especially a credit card? Because he already have a debit card, he's swiping his debit card every now and then. If we give him a credit card, that will be great. If he will not pay on time, we will get some interest out of it. So this kind of analysis is going in the industry right now. Churn analysis. Who will leave my company? Let's say this person, his age is less than 30, and he is earning like 30 lakh rupees per annum. If he get a good job, he will definitely, because he is just a 30 years of age. So that kind of trend was there in the company in the last 20 years. So that kind of data we will analyze, and then we will make decisions. So why data analysis? Exploratory data analysis, predictive data analysis, prescriptive data analysis. So all kind of data analysis we are doing right now based on the data which is there in the market already, which the companies have. So what they're doing, they're purchasing that data. If you are in, have you gone through that Amazon app? Let's say one day you search something there like juicer mixer, simple, and leave it, no problem. Come to the next day, you will see like 10 examples, 10 suggestions for juicer mixer there. Why? Because you have searched for that. So Amazon has taken that particular behavior, and the company understand that, okay, this person is in the need of this particular thing, so let them give some options. Because if you get the options, definitely you will compare and you will choose, and the product will be sale. So this kind of sales strategy they are defining by this particular of data science thing. Not only this, even in healthcare, even in oil and gas, there are so many sectors where data science is playing a very pivotal role, and they are taking decisions based on that. Now, let's say everybody is asking to me, trust me, I'm getting 100 resumes till now, and every day I'm getting a couple of resumes. They're asking me, Saurabh, I want to learn the data science. Tell me what to do. And you know what mistakes they are doing? You want to know that, okay, what mistakes the data science learner who has just entered into the field? Why? Because it is a hot cake. Everybody wants data scientists. So what the mistake they are doing, I will tell you. Here I will give you only the perspective of that, and maybe in upcoming videos I will cover that as well. So this is the wrong approach. What is the wrong approach they are deciding? They are asking for data science first, then they are learning the data analysis, then they might go for data visualization, and then in the end they are learning the Python programming, because Python is the right kind of tool in the market right now. Why? Because everybody is using Python only. RStudio is also available there, but Python is a hotcake. Everybody has to learn that. But without learning programming there, you do not know what is list, you do not know what is data frame, and you do not know how to add columns or remove columns, what is pandas, what is numpy. Python programming you do not know, but you're directly jumping on data science. So that kind of analysis, you do not know how to visualize the data, because in the beginning, trust me, 80% of the time will go in data analysis only to prepare the right kind of data set for any algorithm. I will give you two examples. One is linear regression, the other is logistic regression. These two are very important when you enter into the data science field. I will tell you example. I will tell you everything in detail. Don't worry. I will show you what is Python programming, how we can visualize the data, how we can do the analysis of the data, and then we reach to the data science. But people are doing wrong. They're directly jumping onto the data science. They're saying, okay, tell me what is linear regression. I will run random forest and this, that. So this kind of analysis, approach will definitely put you in gutter. Trust me. If you do like that, you will not reach anywhere. So start from the Python programming. Try to understand that what Python is, what kind of programming language it is, and what it is doing exactly. So that is very important. Linear regression and logistic regression. Yeah. So let's say there is a binary outcome, whether it is happening or whether it is not happening, whether he will leave this company or he will not leave this company. So the binary outcome will come in logistic regression. Always remember that 0-1 kind of thing, where the outcome is in 0-1 kind of thing. That is the logistic regression. Linear regression is, okay, if we do this particular factor, if we change it by 1%, what will be the impact on the sales? It is a linear regression kind of thing, like x1 plus x2 plus x3, and my target variable will be there equal to. And here it is like whether it is happening or it is not happening in logistic regression. People do not know anything. They directly want to jump on that. And then when they reach to the Python, they got said, sir, I do not know how to write the code. I don't know what to, what is the function should I write here? How can I define a function here? So that kind of proper mistakes they are doing. So what is the right approach then? Then the right approach is start from Python programming. Do some basic things there. What is integer? What is float? How can we add them? How can we create a list out of that? What is a data frame? How can we apply a function on a data frame? Then how can we visualize our data? Because whenever you get a data, you have to find the outliers into that. That, okay, what are the data outliers? What are the outliers? Let's say we have a data of like 1,000 employees in which the age section is there. And the age is defined between, let's say, 20 years to 50 years. But maybe by mistake, somebody has kept the age as 90 years. So that is data outlier, which you have to analyze. But okay, 90 years, how can a person in 90 years age work in IT industry? Or 100 years or 200 years, something like that. Trust me, I worked on one healthcare project where I have seen that, that was like a pregnancy period data was there, and it was written like pregnancy date within 6 months, there are 3 times pregnancy date is there. Or something, some bakwas kind of data is there, which you have to analyze. You have to find out the outliers. That is very important thing. For that, you have to understand that how we can visualize our data. Once you see the data, once you see the graphs, once you see the charts, that thing will help you to understand that, okay, these are the outliers and we have to remove them. If we want to remove them, if they're less in number, if they're bigger in number, then we might have to do some, some kind of, you can say that, okay, we will do some correction and keep that into our data. We will decrease that particular value up. We will do some capping out of that and keep that in data. That is data visualization. That is very important part. You have to learn that. Data analysis. What is data analysis? Now we have done that. Now we will see the trend into the data. Okay, last year, what was the sales? Why the sales has gone up into the month of October? Why the sale have gone down in the month of January? Because from October to December, that is a holiday period. People used to purchase a lot of things. January, it will go down. So that kind of analysis you have to do. Then you have to apply the data science algorithm over that. That, okay, now I have seen the data, I have removed my outliers, I have the perfect data with me. Let me apply this particular algorithm on that. Remember this thing, garbage in, garbage out. If you keep your data, means like garbage data, means like where the so many outliers are there, the data is incomplete, invalid, inconsistent, and then you will get very bad kind of results. Your results will also not be good. So you have to do this data visualization, data analysis before jumping onto the data science. So friends, means I will definitely take a class on Python programming. I will show you that, okay, what you all have to do. You don't have to learn everything. Trust me, nobody is perfect in this world. You all will learn gradually, but I will teach you like 5, 10, at least 10 commands in Python every day, so that you will get used to that. You try to get used to that. That is very important thing. Until you get used to the Python programming, data visualization, data analysis, do not jump on the data science, because that was not the right approach. Please, please, please understand this thing. This is very important thing. Until you are able to create charts in Python, do not jump on any algorithm. Data visualization is the first part which you have to do after Python programming. Python programming, read the data. I will give you a CSV file. You do not know how to read that particular file, and you are jumping on data science directly. Like, I want to do random forest, I want to do SVM, I want to do neural networks. You can take names. It's endless topic, I'm telling you. But before that, you have to understand the Python. What is Jupyter? How will you install that? Installing a Jupyter in your machine itself is an hour of exercise. You have to add the path. If you do not do that in that particular aspect, it will never run. Or you can do Google Colab. Google Colab is another option where you can directly just log in with your Gmail and the Python will work there. There are the two options. But I always prefer that you can download the Python Jupyter notebook. How to do that, I will show you that also. Don't worry, in my upcoming videos. But today I am here only just to talk about the data science approach. Without understanding the data, without visualizing the visualization of data, without see the trend into the data, you cannot jump on the algorithm part. So guys, please, please, please try to understand data science. It all starts with data. First, see the data in Excel. I have a hell lot of videos already posted in my timeline. Go there, watch those videos, and see how the data is behaving there. Then you will understand that, okay, visualization is nothing but a chart thing, analysis is nothing but the trend thing. So if you can do all these, things easily in Python, then jump on the data science. And we will start from the linear regression, then logistic regression. And then in logistic regression, we will go for random forest. That is a machine learning technique. And then after machine learning, neural networks. There are so many things are lined up in this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe this video and my channel to the newcomers in the industry and tell them the right approach. Data science is not it's a hot cake, but it is not so easy to jump directly on data science. First, learn Python programming. I'm not saying that you have to be a programmer. I'm not saying that you have to be a coder, nothing like that. But at least you should understand the basics of programming. You can write a code. How will you, filter a data in Python? How will you add a column into a Python? How can you calculate a value in a Python? So these kind of small things I will teach you. 10, maybe 10 or 15, something like that. I will see these kind of, commands in one video, and then you will learn Python programming first. Then we will learn the visualization into the Python, then the data analysis, and then jump to the data science. Data science, if you directly go to the data science, trust me, it will give you a trouble. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel, and especially for the university going guys, college going guys, who are just in the IT industry, who are in any other domain like HR, marketing, or any other field, who want to enter into the data science field. If they follow this particular channel, they will definitely benefit it. So guys, thank you very much and have a good day. All the best. Keep learning. That is the Mool Mantra.